Charm Squad, this is Envy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can know when I upload new videos. Today we're going to do a review. Roslyn Beauty was kind enough to go ahead and send me one of their 20-piece polish sets. So we're going to go ahead and test those out. I couldn't find the exact one that they sent me, you guys, but I am going to go ahead and just put a excerpt here on the screen from their Amazon store. You do see that they make gel polishes, they make polygel, they make dip, they actually even make press-ons. Anyways, in this kit, it does come with 16 very vibrant colors. It has cream colors and jelly colors. It also comes with a base coat, a top coat, no white, and then a matte top coat and a primer. So here you're going to see me just going ahead and putting base coat on top of the nails that I made, and then I used a different product for the base colors because this set was all vibrant colors. It didn't have a white or a nude. But the design that I wanted to do after talking to my sisters and having them help me get ideas more into what I actually wanted to do, because this kit was super colorful, and of course they said trippy nails and marble, and so obviously I did choose the marble. And so this is what I'm going to do. I just wanted something to be simple and quick. Go ahead and make the video for you guys and let you see how they work. So I did go ahead and just finish up the marble design on this one. What I did was I actually picked some of their jelly colors. These polishes are on the thinner side, so for those that are cream colors, you do want to make sure to use 2 coats for full cover. And then for the jelly colors, you can actually stack them as much as you want. And then surprise, look, there they go. I snapped my fingers and made magic. Anyway, you can go ahead and use as many coats as you want in the jelly. So I do actually like the way the jelly colors came out. When I swatched them, they were really pretty, and then of course even in the matte they were super stunning. Really vibrant for these colors, so I really like them. On this design I went ahead and decided, so on the marble I actually decided to go ahead and make flowers. And I know you guys saw in the background that I of course turned the marble to matte, but you will see it actually doesn't stay that way. On this one, it's a pretty simple design. I just did the little dotting tool with the flowers, and then I took my liner and I went ahead and brought them in a little bit to make the flower design. I just go ahead and rotate the colors and use several different colors to make the flowers. And then I just do that staggering pattern on both of the nude nails. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys finish that part because I've been talking for almost 3 minutes. So I'll let you guys finish watching the design. I am going to show you just on this one nail, and then I will show you the finished set because it is the same pattern again on both of the nude nails. And so I'm trying not to show you guys the completely repetitive process. But so here this goes, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of it.
Kicking in, beef with all the girls, bullshit dripping off the chin. All night long, but the feeling keeps kicking in. Beef with all the girls, bullshit dripping off the chin.
They're bringing anything to the table. Bro, I'm not your son, see I'm able. I do my own bits. Limited edition of some missing classic shit. I know that you're feeling it. Feel mad, cold nights feel heavy. Same place going in the heart of the city. Nitty gritty feels iffy and the eyes feel shifty. The shit we're in, yo, it's all
Okay guys, so here I am finishing up the final little flowers. And then so I go ahead, of course, and just cure that. And then this is the finished set. I ended up doing the glossy marble just because I loved the way the colors popped with the glossy. And then I did the flowers in matte again because it made those colors come to life. I did find this kit very easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till next time, stay blessed. Bye.